Unlocking the meaning of search out, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that often puzzles English learners: search out. What does it mean to search out something or someone? Is it the same as just searching? In the next few minutes, we'll explore this phrase thoroughly, looking at its meaning, usage, and nuances. So whether you're learning English as a new language or just looking to polish your proficiency, this video is for you. Let's get started. Search out is a phrasal verb, and like many phrasal verbs in English, it can be a bit tricky. To search out means to look for something or someone very carefully and thoroughly. It's not a casual glance or a brief check. It's a deliberate and determined effort to find what you're looking for. While search and search out may seem similar, there's a distinct difference. To search is to look for something without implying success or failure. It's a general term for looking, but to search out carries the implication of a successful outcome. You keep looking until you find it. Let's put search out into action. Seeing how a phrase is used in sentences can be incredibly helpful. Here are a few examples. The detective promised to search out the truth behind the mysterious case. In ancient times, explorers set sail to search out new lands and treasures. You may need to search out a specialist for your rare medical condition. By seeing search out in context, you can get a better grasp of its usage and meaning. Remembering phrasal verbs can be tough, so here are a few tips. 1. Associate search out with the idea of a treasure hunt, where you search until you find the treasure. 2. Think about the out in search out as reaching outward until the goal is reached. It's an active, expansive action. 3. Use it in your daily English practice by creating sentences or stories where something must be found with effort. And that's a wrap on search out. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this phrasal verb. Remember, learning a new language is like going on an adventure. There are always new phrases to search out and discover. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using search out like a native speaker. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!